Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about differential pulse code modulation. Differential pulse code modulation. In previous class, we are discussing about PCM, pulse code modulation. Now we are discussing the working principles of differential pulse code modulation. In differential pulse code conversion process is inverse operation of PCM. That means in pulse code modulation, the continuous time signal will be converted is in the form of discrete signal, and then after it will convert the signals is in the form of binary codes or binary digits. But in differential pulse code modulation, the pulse will be generates with respect to the binary codes. So in that reason, DPCM is mainly classified two types. They are DPCM encoder and second one is DPCM decoder. DPCM encoder and DPCM decoder. DPCM encoder acts as a transmission section or transmitter, and the DPCM decoder is acts as a receiver or receiving section. Now we are seeing the block diagram of DPCM encoder. This is the block diagram of DPCM encoder. The related block diagram of DPCM encoder is shown below. In this, we are seeing different blocks: sampler, quantizer, encoder, and prediction filter. Sampler, quantizer, encoder, and prediction filter. In previous classes, we are also discussing what is sampler, what is quantizer, and what is encoder, and new term is there, that is prediction filter. First, what is sampler? Already we know sampler receives the input signals, that is in the form of analog from the input side. Even when we are applying input signals, that will be is in the form of analog. So analog signal will be entering to the sampler. By using sampler, it will convert the continuous time signals to the discrete signals. It will convert the continuous time signals to the discrete time signals, and thereafter the converted information will move to the quantizer. Quantizer is also one of the converter which will convert the discrete signals to the digital signals. Discrete signals to the digital signals. So sampler is used to convert the analog signal to the discrete signals. Discrete means it will divide the total pulses in equal intervals, and then after it will be converted to the digital form under two states, either high state or low state. High state indicate 1 and low state indicates 0. By using quantizer, it will convert the information is in the form of discrete to digital. And then after encoder will be assigning the converted signals into the digital signals, and also it will assigning some numbers. The numbers is in the form of binary, either 0 or 1, and then final information will convert to the DPCM output side. And the prediction filter is used to adding some mixed signals. Prediction filter is used to add some mixed signals. Here analog input signal is indicates x of t. And what are the meanings of x of n of ts, e of n of t nts, eq of nts, xq of nts, x cap or x bar of nts, where e of nts equal to error signal. By using sampling sampler, and then after we are signal will passing through the error. In the process of error, it will receiving multiple signals. X of nts is equal to x cap of nts. That means it will receive multiple signals. So error will indicates the signal of the error, and eq of nts will indicates the output of quantizer signal. X of nts equal to sample of input signal. X cap of nts equal to error of quantizer signal, and xq of nts equal to quantized input signal or input to prediction filter. Here x of nts equal to sample of input signal, sample of x of t. Analog input x of t will be converted x of nts. That means analog information is converted is in the form of sampling signal is indicates x of nts means it is a signal of nts. Next, when we are applying error, that will be indicates e of nts. That means it is error of input signal. And next we are seeing the quantizer, error of quantizer input signals. eq of nts, quantizer produce signal, that is indicates eq of nts. eq of nts is known as quantized error signals, and xq of nts and x bar of nts is indicates x cap of nts is indicates error of quantizer signal, and quantized input signal or input of prediction filter. Why? Because xq of nts will entering to the prediction filter. That's why it is called input of prediction filter. So these are all the different signals and different conversions, and it will provide different signals. For example, x of t indicates the analog signal, x of nts equal to sampling signal, e of nts equal to error signal, eq of nts equal to quantized error signal, xq of nts equals prediction of input, x bar of nts equals to error of quantized signal, and we are seeing the error of quantized signal, and we are seeing the error of quantizer error signal means already we are seeing black diagram. E of nts, here we are seeing in quantizer input e of nts means it will receives x of nts and x cap of nts. So that's why error of nts equal to x of nts. Already we are seeing x of nts, that is indication positive, and x cap of nts indication is negative. That's why error signal will be rewrite as x of nts equal to e of nts equal to x of nts minus x cap of nts. And quantized error signal, that means eq of nts. Here we are seeing two positive symbols. That means it will entering two signals. They are like E of NTS equal to E of NTS plus EQ of NTS. Both signals are entering to the quantized error signal. Next, input to prediction filter. Next signal is input to prediction filter. What are the signals we will be entering to the prediction filter? In prediction filter, we are seeing XQ of NTS equal to EQ of NTS plus X cap of NTS. Here already we know the error signal quantized error signal EQ of NTS equal to E of NTS plus EQ of NTS. That will be substitute in the equation number input of prediction filter. So and then we are finally seeing the EQ of NTS equal to X of NTS plus EQ of NTS. X bar of NTS, X cap of NTS both are cancelled, and the remaining equation will be represents input of prediction filter. And the final one is DPCM decoder. We are seeing the DPCM decoder. It will producing original input signal. That means DPCM encoder input will be received by DPCM decoder, and it will generate or it will providing original information to the output side within the help of low pass filter and prediction filter decoder. Decoder will performing reverse operation of encoder, and then after low pass filter will providing additional frequency and frequency balancing frequency. It will providing frequency levels, either high frequency to low frequency or low frequency to high frequency, or it will balancing the signals from various frequency levels. So and finally by using DPCM decoder, it will produce or it will generate or it will transmitted original signals from output side. Okay, this is the analog input is in the form of voice signal. Analog information is converted discrete and then after quantized and then after encoder, and then after finally it will convert the original analog signal. So in communication system, any diagram will be explained only one thing, that is signal conversion. Voice or analog signals will be converted is in the form of quantized or sampler or encoder, and then after it will be converted is in the form of analog. That means only two steps will be converted by using DPCM decoder or DPCM encoder, analog to digital, digital to analog. This is the brief information and brief operation of DPCM. Next class we are discussing delta modulation. Thank you.